Ever felt like your privacy is slipping away with every online transaction? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Beam Wallet and whether it demands your precious personal information like your ID. Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. In today's digital age, our personal data is constantly being collected. From social media to online shopping, we're constantly bombarded with requests for our information. But what about cryptocurrency wallets? Do they require your ID? And if so, what are the implications for your privacy? Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet designed for the Beam blockchain. Beam is a confidential cryptocurrency, meaning transactions on the network are shielded by default. This means your transaction amounts and recipient addresses are hidden from prying eyes. The ID question. Now, the burning question, does Beam Wallet need your ID? The short answer is no. Beam Wallet does not require you to provide any personal identification information like your name, address, or date of birth. This is a key feature that distinguishes Beam from many other cryptocurrencies and their associated wallets. Why this matters? Why is this so important? Privacy. In a world of increasing surveillance, maintaining your privacy is crucial. Beam Wallet allows you to transact with cryptocurrency without revealing your identity. Security. Sharing your personal information with a cryptocurrency exchange or wallet provider can increase your risk of identity theft and fraud. Financial freedom. True financial freedom includes the ability to control your own financial data. Beam Wallet empowers you to do just that. How Beam Wallet protects your privacy. Beam Wallet employs several privacy-enhancing technologies to safeguard your information. These include confidential transactions. As mentioned earlier, Beam transactions are shielded by default, making it difficult to track the flow of funds. No KYC/AML. Beam Wallet does not implement Know Your Customer (KYC) or anti-money laundering (AML) procedures, meaning you don't need to undergo any identity verification processes. Decentralization. The Beam network is decentralized, meaning there is no single point of failure or control. This makes it more difficult for authorities or malicious actors to track or censor transactions. Privacy is a fundamental human right, and it's becoming increasingly important in the digital age. Cryptocurrencies like Beam offer a powerful tool for reclaiming control over your financial data. By choosing privacy-focused options like Beam Wallet, you can enjoy the benefits of cryptocurrency while maintaining your privacy and security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.